What's up guys, this is Eric from Financial Hawks. In today's video, we'll be going over 3 ways you can make money on Cash App. Let's get into it. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay connected on this financial journey. So number 1, investing. Using the investment option in the app, you can actually invest in stocks and possibly make or lose money. Cash App allows you to invest in individual stocks. So you can invest in your favorite stock, and if you're lucky, you can go ahead and cash out whenever. The app also lets you invest in Bitcoin. So if you have enough money, you can go ahead and get yourself a full coin, or you can buy a partial one. Making a lot of money from this though is going to be a hit or miss depending on how good your skills are in investing. If you are interested in this though, you can definitely check out other YouTube channels to learn more about investing and see if investing through Cash App is something that would actually fit you. Number 2, affiliates. You can use the share code referral link to actually invite your friends and family to get on and use Cash App. And for each person that you do get on to actually use the app, you and that person will make $5. This can be a great way to make a good few bucks quickly if you don't know people who actually use the app right now, or people who may need a new account because maybe they lost their info on their old one. Additionally, you can use this share code and you can promote it on other platforms like on your Facebook or your YouTube channel to get even more people joining through these links. Number 3, create a Cash App promotion or donation hub. Going along with number 2, you can create your own social media, your own blog, or social media hub where you promote your Cash App as either a donation or a way to help out your blog. If you get a lot of leads on your blog, for example, that's potential people who can add in a few dollars to you each month, which can definitely add up within a month, within 2 months, 3 months, within the year, 2 years, 3 years, etc., etc. And this can also be a form of passive income to a certain extent. And here's a bonus one for you if you're a hot girl. So if you're hot or decent looking, you can also just post your Cash App link in your bio or any of your social medias and easily make some bread from the plethora of simps out here. I mean, there's a ton of simps out here, so you might as well capitalize on it. Heck, if you're a guy, you could probably do this too and still get some simps who will donate to you. I'm sure you can find some. I can almost guarantee it. But yeah guys, that's 3 ways in a bonus way you can make money using Cash App. If you guys got some other legit ways to make money using Cash App, go ahead and leave those in the comments section below. I will be reading those, so I will definitely be intrigued to hear some new avenues of making money using the app. Also too, if you haven't already, check out the free money mindset course in the description box, a cool audio course that will get your brain ready to go ahead, conquer this world, and make some money. Anyway guys, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.